part of the cliff so we can get the full effect. That's right.
Hi, we're standing here in McCormick's Creek on a cliff, and dig this. Not the hair, because I got hat hair now.
Wait a minute. I think I won't try it. Yeah. I can't see. I have my broken glasses on. Oh, wait a minute. I'm an idiot.
What?
I took a picture of the sky. Did you just seriously take a picture of me?
No, I just whipped the camera out. I'm going to get Jeff here doing it.
Oh my God, I don't want him to. You didn't watch. You didn't fall.
Owned it.
There you go, climb up that rock there, Jeff. You'll be good at that. He looked at me like, I know that rock looks like it's kind of good, though.
Look at these losers down here. They couldn't even get up the trail.
Shoot. Hey, we went up the hard way. You took the easy way.
This is the wolf cave, and it's closed to protect the bats. Freaking bats. Oh, uh-oh, Connie's over here sinning. What the hell?
Sinning. Breaking the law. Breaking the law.
There you go. Stay up here. Stay up here. She's throwing. Looks like a wash. Go.
There it goes, Adri. Now don't. Why'd you get up there then?
Throw. You gonna throw? There you go.
Good job, Adri.
That one's black.
You almost had it, Dale.
Mud daubers don't.
Wait a minute.
Mud daubers leave big old clumps. Where are you going? Mud on there. Oh!
I almost swiped it.
Further.
I feel like Swiper. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. What? Why? No. No.
You had the bandana on. I thought you were going to play act or something.
No. I could have said hello once again.
Hi, Daddy.
This could have been Tobuscus,
I know you're
man.
not ready.
Tobuscus. Okay, I'm weird.
You done? All right.